When it comes to tools and equipment, although the needs are closely related to those discussed under spares, there is more to it than that. At the end of this video, I will highlight not only those aspects, but also expand the list of essential considerations you cannot afford to neglect if you want to minimize risk. A visit to a game reserve is always an exciting experience, with the anticipation and the desire of ticking off the list of the big five. But what of the many other beautiful and sometimes unusual animals we will encounter? Take the giraffe, for example. Without a doubt, these are the tallest mammals on this planet. At birth, they are already taller than most humans and are born with the females in a standing position. Despite their ungainly appearance, especially when running, they are graceful and slow in their movements, with feet as large as a 30-centimeter dinner plate. No two giraffes have identical coat patterns and are as distinctive and different as our human fingerprints. There are so many interesting facts to know about giraffe that I would strongly encourage you to follow the link in the notes below to find out more. Always be aware of your ultimate desire to survive and avoid challenging unknown animals and creatures whilst in their domain. Moving on, another interesting mammal must surely be the hippo. They are the third largest mammal on Earth. They can be extremely aggressive and dangerous and can crush a human or even a full-grown lion instantly in a single bite. It is indeed estimated that hippos can account for up to 3,000 human deaths each year, as opposed to crocodiles, who account for around 200 human deaths. There are so many interesting facts about hippos that I would encourage you to follow the link provided in the notes below, under the heading, "What is unique about a hippo?" Males weigh in at between 3,000 pounds and 10,000 pounds and are capable of swimming at speeds of up to 20 miles an hour. Last but not least is the baboon, which is a primate and associates in large groups called troops, possibly closest in appearance to humans. The dominant male in the troop clearly demonstrates who is the boss and adopts a very proud appearance and stance with deep, inquisitive eyes, keeping a watchful eye over his troop. They are mostly docile animals that forage for fruits, grass, seeds, and roots, but have also been known to eat birds, rodents, small antelope, and even smaller monkeys. When visiting an area where no man's gone before, it is important to acquaint yourself with detailed facts of all animals and creatures you are likely to encounter on your visit. Know what threats they pose, how you should react in their presence, and how best to avoid confrontation. You have the internet. Use it before departing on your adventure.